Hey Fiverr friends, Logan and I partnered with Fiverr to build this Facebook course just for you guys.
We're super excited. We're known for working with big clients like MGM, Nike, Rosetta Stone, the Golden State Warriors, TiVo, Ashley Furniture. And we've taken the same process, the same techniques, the same strategy we use for those enterprise clients and streamlined it, made it totally available and feasible and usable for someone who's doing this for the very first time ever.
Especially if you're on Fiverr and it's just you as a freelancer and you're selling initial gigs for $5 and $20 or $100. These are the same techniques that have worked for companies that we have spent over $1 billion for, but it'll work for guys that are spending just $100 because we've broken down in this course a few key techniques that you can apply quickly.
Yeah, so we've spent ourselves over $1 billion on Facebook. We've learned a lot, of course, from that data, from visiting Facebook's headquarters, working with their engineers, product team. And this course, we're going to dive deep into how you can target on Facebook and the data capabilities and possibilities and how you can niche down to even one person if you wanted to. But beyond that, we're going to cover the strategies that you need to know to be successful.
There are a lot of things that are confusing on the Facebook platform, and we know it changes all the time. But imagine the latest with custom audiences, lookalike audiences, lead ads, different things with the pixel, how you set up content that's going to work, how you price your packages, the business of selling Facebook ads. How do you define what exactly is in a package and what you don't? How do you overcome the most common kinds of issues and things that people trip over in trying to drive conversions? How do you drive reports so that the client understands what's working and what's not? How do you onboard a client through the access checklist and collecting goals, content, and targeting?
Yeah, so we're going to spend quite a bit of time talking about these principles, and we're also going to dive into the desktop quite a bit to do some screen share videos. So this is Dennis. I'm Logan. We're excited to get started with you guys.
If you want to buy any service, please follow my video description. Thank you for watching my video.